In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a cut in Davinci Resolve. First, go to the Edit page. This is where all the magic happens in Davinci Resolve. You will see a timeline with your clips arranged for editing. The Edit page is designed for precise adjustments, making it easy to manipulate your clips. This is a crucial step as it sets the stage for the work you will do. You will notice various tools and options available on the interface. Familiarizing yourself with this page is important because it helps streamline your editing process. Once you locate the edit page, you are ready to proceed. Next, select the cut between the two clips. You will see a line marking the edit point where the two clips meet. This cut may appear as a small gap or a more pronounced line in your timeline. Selecting this cut is vital because it tells Davinci Resolve exactly what area you want to remove. Take a moment to ensure you are choosing the right cut. You can tell it is selected when it highlights or changes color slightly. This visual cue confirms you are on the right track. Now press delete to remove the edit point. This action is straightforward but powerful. When you hit the delete key, the cut you selected will vanish and the two clips will become one seamless clip. This is important because it helps maintain the flow of your video. The transition between clips should feel natural, and removing the cut is a key step in achieving that. Once you press delete, you may notice that the timeline updates immediately, reflecting this change. If the clips don't join automatically, do not worry. There is a simple solution. Right-click the cut that you just deleted. This action opens a context menu with several options. It may seem like a small step, but it is crucial for ensuring that your clips are properly linked. Make sure to take your time here and observe the options that appear. This attention to detail is what makes your editing polished and professional. From there, select Join Clips. This is the final step to ensure your clips are connected. By choosing this option, you instruct Davinci Resolve to merge the two clips together firmly. You will see the clips snap together, eliminating any gaps. This step is essential because it solidifies the edits you've made. Once the clips are joined, you will have a smoother viewing experience in your final video. By following these steps, you can easily remove cuts in Davinci Resolve, creating a more cohesive video. Each action you take builds on the last, ensuring a polished final product. Remember, practice makes perfect. With each edit, you will become more comfortable navigating the software. So, that wraps up our tutorial on removing a cut in Davinci Resolve. You have learned how to go to the edit page, select the cut, delete it, and join your clips. This process is fundamental in video editing and will serve you well in your projects. Thank you for watching and happy editing!